Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor intersection widget missing problem. If you've been working on your website and suddenly notice that the intersection widget has disappeared from your Elementor editor, don't worry, this is a common issue that can be resolved quickly by adjusting one specific setting in your WordPress dashboard. Let's walk through the solution step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar menu on the left side of your screen. From the dashboard sidebar menu, click Elementor and then select Settings. This will take you to the core configuration area where Elementor's global settings are managed. Understanding these settings is crucial because they control which features and tools are available in your page builder. Once you're in the Elementor settings area, click the Features tab at the top of the settings page. The Features tab is where Elementor allows you to enable or disable various tools and widgets. This is important because Elementor regularly introduces new features, and sometimes these new features can conflict with or replace older ones, which is exactly what's happened with your intersection widget. Now scroll down to the Stable Features section. This section contains features that have been tested and are considered stable for production use. Here's where the solution lies. You need to find the option labeled Container and look at its drop-down menu. The Container feature is a newer way of structuring layouts in Elementor, and when it's active, it replaces the traditional section and intersection widgets. This is why your intersection widget has gone missing. To bring back your intersection widget, select Inactive from the Container drop-down menu. By deactivating the Container feature, you're telling Elementor to revert to the classic section structure, which includes the intersection widget you've been looking for. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply this configuration. Once saved, refresh your Elementor editor, and you'll find that your intersection widget has returned to the widget panel where it should be. And that's it. You've successfully restored the intersection widget by deactivating the Container feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.